Little Kids Heart of Learning, a stress-free place for your little ones to have fun while learning and exploring.
Hi friends! I'm excited to learn with you today. As you can see, I'm floating in space, because there's no gravity here. Let's have fun. Right now in the solar system. I can't wait to get smarter by naming planets with you. Before we do, it's important to know, our solar system is made up of a star, the Sun, 8 planets, 146 moons, a bunch of comets, asteroids, space rocks, ice, and several dwarf planets, such as Pluto. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let's name them again. Earth, Mars, Venus, Uranus, Saturn, Mercury, Neptune, Jupiter. Wonderful! You are absolutely amazing! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more entertaining, fun, educational adventures of Little Kids Heart of Learning. Until we meet again, keep learning and being great.